So this is the new rental car facilities called Consolidated Rent-A-Car Facility, short for ConRAC when you come to LAX. It is now fully open, so all rental car companies have now moved into the new infrastructure. In the original plan, there is supposed to be an electric train system that connects people from LAX to these ConRAC facilities directly, but it isn't quite ready yet. So your best connecting transport is still the old-style airport shuttles. After picking up your luggage from the baggage claim, walk out to the gate and unless you're at Terminal 7, walk to the right side and look for the purple area for rental car shuttles. The rental car stops are located at the lower arrival level. As soon as you walk out from the baggage claim, look for the purple sections on the outer island curb. They are placed in between terminals. So in the midpoint between Terminal 1 and Terminal 2, you'll find the purple sections, and then you'll find the same thing between 2 and 3. Whether you're getting picked up or dropped off, these shuttles have to stop at every single terminal. The traffic inside the LAX loop can be a total nightmare. Seriously, the shuttle ride alone can easily take about 30 to 40 minutes, especially during busy times. Try to book your rental using rental car company preferred membership so that you can locate a car through your phone without stopping by the counter. Rental car company now use AI assist software to scan your car damage before you take the car out and compare when you return. It is always safe to take some photos or even a short video around and inside the car before you leave the facilities, in case the car company file a claim on you later on and you don't have any backup evidence. When you return your car, they will no longer give you a receipt right away. I didn't quite like that, and I always take a picture with the timestamp and the mileages. They email the receipt to you later on, so you can just catch the shuttle back to the airport. I hope you find this video helpful. Have a good trip and see you next time.